Google makes a bunch of cool things for your home. But what you maybe didn't know is that they also make these guys. Meet Nest Wi-Fi. It's way better than your old Wi-Fi. This one's a router and this one's a Wi-Fi point. Together, they blanket your home in strong internet. Bye-bye, dead zones. This one even has a speaker with the Google Assistant. So you can say things like, "Hey Google, play Chopped on YouTube TV."
Okay, playing Chopped on YouTube TV.
I mean, look at it. It's practically an accent piece. And comes in 3 colors. Okay, let's talk about why there are 2 of them. Well, not unlike hot sauce and pizza, they're even better together. With one router and a point, you're covered up to 3,800 square feet. We're talking whole home coverage. And seriously, why aren't they ugly? By now, we're all used to this thing. Oh, hideous. But this is Wi-Fi you actually want to show off. No, not there. Next to the good cactus. Yeah, good. Okay, next thing, connectivity. These things work together to handle anything you throw at them. Want all your devices connected? Okay, got you covered. And the more home you have to cover, just add more Wi-Fi points. So you'll be able to watch and do and play whatever you want all at once. I mean, come on, can buffering not be a thing anymore? And setting it up is so easy and fast, kind of like your internet. It also updates automatically to help keep your network safe and sound. Whew, I feel better already. And speaking of safe and sound, let's talk about control. Because when it comes to Wi-Fi, you are the boss. Yeah, you have complete say over who uses your internet. It's called family Wi-Fi, and it too is pretty boss. So you can be like, you can use your phone, and you can use your tablet, and you can't use anything because you threw a hot dog at your sister. While you're at it, you can prioritize which devices get the most juice. It also allows you to easily share your Wi-Fi password without being like, it's capital T, Z, lowercase r, underscore, exclamation point, 2, 7. Now you can just share it through your Google Home app. And finally, last but funnest, see this point right here? You can actually talk to it. And it can actually answer with the Google Assistant. How many Wi-Fis do that?
There's only one.
Hey Google, how do you say internet in Japanese?
In Japanese, that's internet.
Hey Google, what's my internet speed?
You're currently at 55 megabits per second.
Oh, that is fast. Hey Google, play my speed reading playlist. So, there you have it. Nest Wi-Fi is the core of your connected and little more helpful home. Nest Wi-Fi, part of the Google Nest fam.